warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yandi Ramadana with NIM 24042089 as the moderator of Group 4 with my friend.
My name is Rahma Ananda with NIM 24042019.
My name is Zahra Odelia with NIM 24042153.
My name is Jeffreyanda with NIM 24042178.
I will present the result of our discussion in the form of PPT with the title Approach and Theories of Voting Behavior in Election. What is voting behavior? Behavior cause refer to method individual or group make decision in choose between various alternatives which viable. In context in election, voting behavior includes the process by which vote determine the choice of candidates or parties based on social and demographic, psychologists, environmental, and information factors. Theoretical framework. Approach voter behavior is approach psychological, approach sociological, approach economy, and approach communication. 1. Approach by psychological by Rahma Ananda.
1. Approach psychological. The psychological approach highlights the individual aspect of voting behavior. In this context, political, socialism, and the personal experience of voters are the main factor. Voters tend to choose candidates who share the same value and belief as them. This theory is known as the Michigan School, which links voting behavior with the psychological aspect, namely political party attachment, orientation toward political issue, and view towards candidate. Theory on psychological approach. 1. Cognitive theory explains how perception, attitude, and emotion individual influence decision voters. 2. Personality theory analyzes how characteristic personality influence preference political.
2. Approach sociology by Zahra Odelia.
Approach sociology then put activity choice in allocation with context social, where choice somebody intellectual general influenced by background, behind demographics and social economy like type size, class stay, work, education class, income and religion. Theory in sociological approach. 1. Social identity theory explain how perception, attitude, and emotion individual influence decision voters. 2. Mobilization theory analyze how factors external like organization, social and network community influence participation voters.
3. Economic approach by Dwi.
Economic approach. On approach economy, somebody will determine choice either in their party or candidate certain which give benefit. In contextual play to voters. The goal is for influence of opinion, public and participation. Theory on communication approach. Agenda setting theory. Analyze how maybe pyramid issue important which influence decision voters. Framing theory. Describe how presentasi information influence interpretasi voters to ending.
Problem analysis. Psychological approach by Rahma Ananda.
Approach psychological, that is approach which is behavior voters as formation from prosocialization, which give birth to word emotional, which direct action critical somebody in action, indicator which proves formation, the magnitude influence approach. This is as following: 1. Personality. 2. Identification party. Approach theory. A. Cognitive theory. Theory is this explain how voters processing information and make decision. 1. Processing information. Dissonance cognitive, heuristic cognitive, perception and stereotype, influence emotional and cognition.
B. Personality theory. Theory personality can help me understand how characteristic individual influence decision political day. 1. Model 5B. 2. Theory personality. 3. Theory behavioristic. 4. Theory humanistic.
Approach sociology by Zahra.
Approach sociology. Indicator which use for measure the magnitude influence approach is as following: 1. Group social seen from pattern connection, social life connection, friendship, family and kinship, as well as group social other life, profession and organization which follow. 2. Characteristic social which seen orientation, voters to characteristic social candidate like age, type, sex, religion, and other ethnicities. Approach theory. 1. Social identity theory. It is apart from the self-individual which originate from membership. They in group social identity discovers various categories like ethnicity, religion, and class social. Categories Zetian social, the process by which individuals classify self and others in group based on characteristic certain. This helps with identity group and differentiate between we in group and they out group. B. Mobilization theory, the process in which individual or groups direct for participate in activity political, like collection voice, demonstration, or campaign. Actor mobilization, often led by organization, party, political, or movement, social which try interesting support and participation from public.
Approach rational of economy by Rahma Ananda.
Approach rational is approach which see that choice voters is decision rational voters where which conditions are as follows: 1. Orientation, vision, mission, which measure from knowledge and understanding as well as enters voters to the program that operated candidate. 2. Orientation, candidate which measure from quality candidate covering position, information, performance, and popularity, personal, concern in various fields related, is competent in to realize the program that appeared. The influence of rational or economic approach on vetting behavior. One, decision based on analysis, cost and benefit. Two, evaluation economic performance. Three, hope and estimation handphone. Four, information which obtained. Five, dynamics market and policy economy.
Four, approach communication by Zahra.
Approach communication is a strategy used by candidates, political parties, and campaigns to convey their message, information, and values to voters. The goal is to influence public opinion and encourage voter participation. Some important elements of this approach include: 1. Political message. 2. Target audience. 3. Communication channels. 4. Interaction and engagement. 5. Investment and feedback. Approach theory. 1. Plan setting theory. Process where is the medianess. Choose issues certain for a report which then become focus attention public. Media no always influence what which talk about person, but not to what which they think about it about. Public plan versus private plan motivation media. Motivational media is issue which promoted by media, whereas motivation public is issue which considered important by public. Theories show connection between both of them. B. Framing theory. The process by which media and communication choose method pertain for self-information, which objective influence interpretation audience. This involving emphasis element, certain and another framework cognitive surrounding function linked as framework for readers for understanding issue. Method presentation can to form interpretation and reaction emotional to incident or issue.
Case analysis by
Case analysis. Case study voters in minority community. Voters from minority community often face unique challenge related to referency and understanding of issues that relevant to social identity, that individual identify with certain group with influence for voting behavior. Solution to increase voter participation in minority community. 1. Voter education. 2. Strengthening community network. 3. Encourage diverse candidates. 4. Improve access and communication. 5. Use social media and technology.
This is biography. That's the result of presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi